Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Hi. Welcome to Test Prep Training. Today we will discuss about Microsoft Dynamics 365 Fundamentals Finance and Operations Apps Exam, Tutorial and Preparatory Guide. Let's see how you can start preparing for the exam. The Microsoft Dynamics 365 Fundamentals Finance and Operations Apps Exam covers the features and capabilities of Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations Apps. If you have broad exposure to the enterprise resource planning capabilities of Dynamics 365, and understand the fundamentals of how finance and operations apps fit in within the overall Microsoft ecosystem, this certification is for you. This Microsoft MB920 certification expands your technical horizons, and thereby increases your employability. Target audience: 1. IT professionals who want to highlight their broad understanding of the applications they work with. 2. Technical professionals and business decision makers who are exploring how Dynamics 365 functionality can integrate with apps they're using. 3. Business stakeholders and others who use Dynamics 365 and want to demonstrate that they understand the fundamentals of the platform. 4. Developers who want to show a deeper understanding of business operations, finance, and ERP. 5. Students, recent graduates, and people changing careers who want to make the most of Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations apps to move to the next level. Candidates for this exam should have general knowledge of or relevant working experience in an information technology environment. They should also have a fundamental understanding of financial principles and business operations. The Microsoft MB920 exam is a part of Microsoft 365 certifications. All Microsoft Dynamics 365 Fundamentals Finance and Operations apps exam questions are in the format of multiple choice and multi-response questions. Moreover, you get 60 minutes to complete the 40 to 60 MB920 questions. Further, the exam is available in the English language only. Microsoft allows 5 attempts per year for a specific exam. The exam retake policy for Microsoft MB920 exam is as follows. 1. If a candidate is not able to clear the exam on the first attempt, the candidate must wait at least 24 hours before retaking the exam. 2. If a candidate does not clear the exam the second time, candidate must wait at least 14 days before retaking the exam a third time. 3. A 14-day waiting period is also there for the fourth and fifth subsequent exam retakes. And reschedule policy. Microsoft allows free canceling of the exam within 24 hours prior to your scheduled appointment. But, if you fail to show up on your exam day without rescheduling or canceling your exam, Microsoft reserves all rights to forfeit your entire exam fee. Rescheduling and cancellation of your scheduled exams can be done through the certification dashboard. Domain 1, describe Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management, which comprises of 25 to 30% weightage in exam. Domain 2, describe Dynamics Finance, which comprises of 20 to 25% weightage in exam. Domain 3, describe Dynamics 365 Commerce, which comprises of 10 to 15% weightage in exam. Domain 4, describe Dynamics 365 Human Resources, which comprises of 5 to 10% weightage in exam. Domain 5, describe Project Operations, which comprises of 10 to 15% weightage in exam. Domain 6, describe Shared Features, which comprises of 10 to 15% weightage in exam. Let's discuss about Preparatory Guide. 1. Review the exam objectives. Before embarking on any journey, it is important to have a good understanding of what one is getting into. As a result, the most critical part of the exam preparation is going over each test goal. 2. Explore your learning resources. It is important to choose the appropriate learning materials. In reality, there are several options available for the Microsoft MB920 exam. This makes determining which resources are true and credible challenging. 3. Microsoft Learning Paths. Microsoft offers various learning paths to help you gain the skills needed for this exam. 4. Instructor-led training. Online courses and instructor-led training planned by professionals in the field of subject matter are a great resource for your preparation. They aid in the development of strong conceptual components, as well as the clarification of doubts. 5. Join a study group. When studying for an exam, participating in online forums and study groups is extremely beneficial. Study groups allow you to maintain contact with those who are going through similar experiences. 6. Practice tests. The most effective and beneficial way to assess the degree of readiness is to take practice tests. They will assist you in identifying vulnerable areas of your planning and reduce the likelihood of potential errors. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.